Ever hit rock bottom into 025 job loss, breakup, or stalled dreams wondering if comeback kings like Rocky were just movie magic? What if 2026 becomes your epic rebound, scripted for unbreakable success through wise, science proven steps? On 5 Minute Genius, master the blueprint for the strongest comeback yet rise wiser, wealthier, unstoppable. Let's now start from step number one, ruthless reality audit. Start by facing the mirror. Audit 2025 failures without sugarcoating. List top three setbacks: career plateau, health slip, finances frayed, and extract gold. What weak decisions fueled them? High achievers aged 18-50 thrive by turning pain into data, like Elon Musk dissecting rocket explosions. Craft a failure autopsy. For each, note triggers, emotions, and one lesson like impulse buys killed savings. This stoic practice, echoed in ancient Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius' journals, rewires regret into rocket fuel, burn the list symbolically. Declare 2025 ends here. Humorous reset. Ever replayed a bad date like a bad Netflix rerun? Audit it, laugh, learn, level up. From dissecting the past, we forge a crystal clear 2026 vision, your North Star pulling you forward. Step number two, Vision Forge Ritual. Visualize 2026 you, promoted executive, shredded physique, debt free empire builder. Write a vivid future letter from December 31st, 2026, detailing achievements as if done. Read it daily. Neuroscientists confirm this primes reticular activating system, spotting opportunities others miss. For us go-getters balancing families and hustles. Cap it at three smart goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, like net $10,000 side income by June via freelance. Pin vision board visuals, dream car, beach, body, stock portfolio spike. Quick jolt, close eyes now. What's one 2026 win that fires you up? Speak it, it's manifesting. Freeze frame that vision. If 2026 is your year and you're done with average, smash like, subscribe to 5 Minute Genius for genius blueprints that rewrite destinies. Bell on, join the comeback army. Now anchor it with unbreakable systems. Visions demand daily disciplines. Next, build the keystone habits that compound into legend status. Step number three, keystone habit stack. Pick three non negotiables: dawn workout, hourly deep work blocks, nightly review. Stack them on existing routines. After coffee, 20-minute jog, leveraging BJ Fogg's tiny habits method for autopilot. Wins. Studies show keystone habits exercise spawns better eating, productivity cascade. 5x results, tailored for everyone. Automate finances. First app transfers 20% income to investments pre-spend. Track in Notion or Journal. Weekly review gaps. Scale micro. One push-up, two full routine. Laugh break. Habits are like bad tattoos. Start small or regret the full sleeve. Stack wisely. Habits amplify in elite circles. Surround yourself with risers, not whiners, for momentum multiplier. Step number four, Alliance of Titans. Curate your 2026 council. 5 mentors via podcasts, masterminds like EO forums, or apps like Mentor Cruise. Weekly accountability calls. Share wins. Audit slips boost success 95% per social. Proof research. Ditch energy vampires. Ghost politely. For wise life pivots, career switches, fitness overhauls, join us communities, Reddit R or Get Disciplined, local CrossFit or investor meetups, public commitments via social posts create stakes. Your network isn't net worth, it's your trajectory. Attention grab. Who's one titan you'd cold DM today? Do it, post video, doors open. Allies fuel resilience now. Master the mental armor for inevitable punches. Step number five, adversity alchemy. Forgery frame setbacks as plot twists, lost job. Promotion prep. Studies from Angela Duckworth's Grit research show anti-fragile minds grow stronger via stress. Daily, 10-minute meditation app. Headspace. Gratitude log. 3 wins. Build failure fund. Suck away 100 month for bounce back buffer. Practice rejection therapy. Pitch 10 ideas weekly to desensitize ego. End with power pose. 2 minutes Wonder Woman stance spikes testosterone 20%. Humorous interrupt. Life's a boxing match, duck. Weave uppercut back. No more rope a dope. Armor intact. Accelerate with weekly sprints, your comeback velocity engine. Step number 6, 90-day blitz cycles chunk 2026 into 90-day wars, Q1 fitness or finances, Q2 career or network, etc. Weekly milestones, bi-weekly reviews adjust ruthlessly. Ochre framework Google's secret ensures 10x focus. Apps like Streaks gamify. Celebrate micro wins with non-sabotage rewards. Steak dinner, not splurge. Wise deciders track metrics. Body fat down 5%, savings up 15%. Visualize progress graphs rising. Your 2026 strongest comeback. Audit, vision, habits, alliances, alchemy, sprints, recovery. Implement step 1 today. Wise decisions forge legends from ashes. You've got the blueprint. Now execute. Fired up? Like if ready to dominate, subscribe to 5-Minute Genius, comment your first step, bell on Weekly Genius fuels your rise. 2026 awaits, claim it.